Getting rid of your limiting beliefs and replacing them with new empowering ones is one of the most important things that you can do to improve your performance and also your confidence. Limiting beliefs are any deeply held view of ourselves that are holding us back. This can often be around not being good enough. It can be that you don't feel smart enough. You don't feel like you can accomplish something at work. It can be around a relationship and not feeling worthy of love. It can be around finances and not feeling like you can make more money. These are some examples. There's 4 steps to getting rid of these and replacing it with a new belief. The first step is to identify what your own limiting belief is. And to do this, simply ask yourself, what is my limiting belief? Or what is holding me back from accomplishing my goals? Another way to do this is to actually think about your goals and what you're trying to accomplish, and then see if there's any negative thoughts or fears that arise and pinpoint what these are. The second step is to replace this negative belief with something empowering. For instance, if you have a belief about you not being able to accomplish something, you can change that and reframe it to, I am highly capable and accomplish anything I put my mind to. The third step is to find evidence to support your new belief. Think about your past successes where this belief has been true in your life. Come up with at least 3 different evidence that support this new belief. The fourth and final step is to reinforce this new belief. Few different ways you can do this. One is you can put it as an affirmation. If you use affirmations, have it on the first one of your affirmation is your new empowering belief. The second way is to use it as a mantra. And you can do this anytime that negative belief starts to surface. You can then say your mantra or your positive statement with this new belief to yourself in that moment. The third way is to have visuals, to put the new belief on your vision board, on your wall, somewhere that you'll see it at different points throughout the day. Just to recap, the 4 ways. First, identify what it is. Second is to replace it with an empowering belief. Third is to find evidence to support your new belief. And the fourth is to reinforce this belief to make it stronger. Give this a try. Trust me, it's something that will have a major impact on your life going forward.